Yes, 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 bank. I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News. Guys, a really interesting article came out about Yes Bank today, but the first thing it reminded me of the Bearable Guy post where he posted yes, 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 which kind of thinks to me it seems like it's talking about Yes Bank. But I am going to show you guys where Yes Bank posted something about Monsoon. Really interesting scenario there, guys. Also, guys, CZ 20 questions. We'll talk about that. Also, SBI 20-year anniversary. We'll talk about that also. But first, let's start with this. This is the Yes Bank CEO, Yes Bank Aubrey. We call ourselves a technology company in the business of banking.
A lot of technology companies. I think this year you had a lot of technology companies like Ripple.
Like Ripple, that's for sure. This is the original article that came out. Shout out to Bank XRP. This is where I got the article from. India's Yes Bank has completed a successful insurance of corporate debt using blockchain built on by Montego on R3 Corda. R3 Corda. So we know there's a relationship with Ripple. XRP. We know XRP is the first utility settlement token on the Corridor platform. So Yes Bank. Now this actually reminds me of this right here. Yes Bank brings blockchain efficiency to Indian corporate debt market. 1 billion rupees, 14.5 million transaction was carried out on behalf of an Indian conglomerate, Vendetta, and used distributed ledger technology to share documentation electronically among all parties involved, cutting out hours of laborious paperwork. Currently, the high manual insurance of commercial paper in India requires around 1 million emails and calls and 300,000 couriers every year. Now, if you guys recall, now this is Yes Bank right here, guys. This is Yes Bank right here. Yes Bank Tech for Change. Impact on real-time cross-border payments. Now, if you go, guys, right here, blockchain can help India's financial institutions develop world-class payment platform. Banks and payment providers are aware of the pain points in facilitating cross-border transactions. For example, last year, Yes Bank has signed a partnership with Ripple to help facilitate inbound remittances from North America to the Middle East and the United Kingdom. So, it actually reminds me of this post right here from Bearable Guy where he said yes, yes, yes. So very interesting scenario right there. And if I actually look at this, what date was this from? September 2018. Bearable Guy posted this one on April 2018. April? Interesting scenario there. And like I said, guys, shout out to Bank XRP. I will link his information in the description. Definitely give him a follow. And here's Yes Bank right here. I just read that. Yes, Yes Bank is partnered with Ripple. Now, guys, something really interesting here. If you go to Yes Bank's Twitter page, now this is Yes Bank right here. Yes Bank Twitter, Yes Bank. Now, I was just scrolling through some of their tweets to see if I could see anything about Ripple. And I found this post from July 9th. Step out in style. This monsoon will be exciting. Offers on your Yes Bank cards. Yes, Yes Bank debit and credit cards are available up to Rs and 300 instant discount. Limeroad.com app or website. But say hello to Monsoon in style. One drop will Monsoon. Say hello to Monsoon in style. Yes Bank, Bearable Guy. Yes, yes, yes. Interesting scenario there, that's for sure. Maybe I just got my XRP Bearable Guy glasses on.
Etc. Met a lot of technology companies. I think this year you had a lot of technology companies like Ripple.
Like Ripple, that is for sure. But for them to have this right here on their page, guys, I mean, what a coincidence. And I'm believing in coincidences less and less these days. Now, what's interesting, guys, if you go to Bearable Guy's page right here, I will highlight this again because it did jump out at me. On Rich here, he put yes, yes, yes. And if you click on this philosophy of matrix, this is actually going to bring you back to Interledger is the new world bank. Now, this is J.C. Collins. I've covered this before. Interledger is the new world bank. I will link this in the description also, guys. I'm telling you, it's one hell of a read. For years now, Bank of International Settlements, BIS, International Monetary Fund, G20, and Financial Stability Board have been working together to develop the best alternative to the role of USD as a primary reserve asset used in a global monetary system. Guys, I'm telling you, this is an amazing read right here. It's Interledger is the new world bank, and I highly recommend you guys reading this. The only reason I brought it up because it was in the Yes attached here, and made me think of that too. If you guys haven't read about that yet, it's a very interesting read. I also had to even Google Monsoon to make sure I was reading that right. Oh lordy. Also this morning, guys, Katawi SPI 20-year anniversary. Ripple XRP SPI will crush the competition. Now, basically, guys, you can't really understand what he's saying, but I translated it for you. I believe he's saying that SPI and Ripple Labs will crush the competition. Now, we do know Katawi is on the board of directors at Ripple Labs now. We know SPI is very bullish on XCurrent, XRapid, XRP. He pretty much says that there's 60 banks are going to implement this technology. We got the money tap situation. Guys, clearly, a new ecosystem is being developed. That's for sure. That is for sure. I'm going to have to go a little bit deeper on this 99 birth and what happened around the year of 99 also. Kind of interesting scenario there. Also, guys, watch what's next for CZ, Binance CEO, on getting hacked, being compliant, and his future. Now, this is the video right here, and I did go over this on the morning stream. Very good interview with CZ, guys. He pretty much says, I'm going to highlight one thing, and I will link this in the description so you guys can give it a read. I highly recommend reading it. But he says, I think it's obviously the future. And we're talking about blockchain and crypto technology. I think it's obviously the future. I think basically people have felt, we feel the same way about the internet in 1995. I think the future has so much potential that we do not even understand it right now. And I truly do believe that, guys. So people are just sorting out, imagining what kind of applications can be built on top of blockchain technology. It is not the technology that solves every problem, but it is the technology that will significantly improve many of the top problems we have today, especially regarding finance, fundraising, and all of our well-being. It does so many difficult problems. So the future is limitless. And he's also going to cover the exchange moving to USA, compliant, the FATF on global guidelines of regulation. I mean, really good interview, guys. CZ's been always very transparent. I really like Binance Exchange. I'm looking forward to the launch of Bank.YES. Are you forced to be compliant? Yes, I think we are. He's basically saying, what about your USA customers? So far, we have tried to actively neglect the US market because of unclear regulation. Now, what's weird is he says, yeah, I have told US customers they will no longer be serviced as of this month. Whoa, this month? Interesting. To be honest, our position is that we have never serviced them. He's saying that he's never serviced USA customers. Very interesting scenario there. I know a lot of USA customers that do have a Binance account, but they are working on compliance. That's for sure. So, looking excited. Looking forward to Binance launch USA. And me personally, guys, I believe that Binance USA will be an XRapid partner. I believe there is a Ripple Binance relationship there. Okay, guys, CKJ coin will come down right now. Smash that coin to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I release another video. What do you think about the Yes Bank and India? And Bearable Guy highlighting yes, yes, yes. Much love. Mahalo.